Alright, this is my treasure chest. Show you what's inside. So I got this $2 bill. That's cool. I just got this 1 ounce silver round Valentine's. I got, oh shit, I got all these ounces. Just a few. I got this is 5 ounces. This is 10 ounces. That's what that looks like right there. I got a couple coins. That's it. That's what I got. Oh, right here. I just got this coin. This is my new favorite coin. There's a dragon on it. I don't know if y'all can see that. It says, brave, power, strong, luck, honest. It's a Chinese coin. I got these panda. Let's see. These are just regular rounds, foreign stuff. Got this Canadian maple leaf coin. 4/9's fine. This is one of my favorites. It just got security features, man. You can see a padlock in there. All right, that's my collection.